Welcome, in front of me is a Honor 20 and today I will show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, there's two different power saving modes and also two ways you can enable it. And starting off, we'll go into the one that is located in here with all the toggles. And you want to tap on the little pencil icon right here and you will see ultra power saving. So just hold it and drag it over and then you can tap back. As you can see now it's visible right here. And from here when you tap on it, it will enable the ultra power saving mode. So it's the more intensive one that basically makes it look like this. And only the essential apps are working, like phone messages and other stuff, but primarily everything else is Bluetooth, mobile data, localization and stuff like that is disabled. And to leave it, you just want to tap on the little icon right here if it's barely visible. And tap on exit and you'll be back in the normal. And also you can hold it to go into the settings, as you can see, and then you have a couple other options here. And if you want to go or enter this through settings itself, you can just go to the settings app and then scroll down to battery right here, and you're basically at the same place where we were from here by holding this. And the normal power saving mode can be enabled right here as well. So it's the power saving mode right here. It gives you a message here. Just tap on enable, and it will so limit certain aspects of the phone to increase the battery life. And as you can see, it's 27 hours right now. If I turn it off, it starts falling down. Well, didn't really save much, I guess. From 27 hours to a couple minutes to, what is it, like half an hour? So about 40 minutes more, I guess not much. And you also have right here the performance mode, which will boost the performance of the phone and reduce the battery life, but the phone will work faster in this case. So those are all the options you have for the power saving mode here. And yeah, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.